So this is my artificial organ project for Foundations of Technology project 5.1. So it's a little very homemade, as you can see. So let me tell you the basic structure of this. So this is the larger tube. It's would connect to the esophagus, and so pretty much undigested food would come through this and then land inside this stomach of sorts. So inside of the stomach we have chemical digestion and physical digestion. So the chemical digestion comes in the form of the liquid you can see there. It's actually very diluted hydrochloric acid, which is actually present in the real stomach and responsible for a lot of the chemical digestion. I've also added quite a bit of pineapple juice, which contains an enzyme called protease, I want to say, that has the ability to break down proteins, which I'm not sure if this specific enzyme is present in the stomach, but I'm absolutely sure that there are enzymes in the stomach that break down protein. So I added that as well. And if you can see the white dots, those are actually magnetic stirrers. So the idea is that once, if you, I guess, implant this, see the bunny ears, implant this in a human body, then after you connect everything, you would have a very strong magnet go around it, and that would cause the stirrers to move, and with the stirrers the food would actually move. And as the food gets steadily more digested, and thus smaller components of it, it would be able to splash up and go up these tubes, which I actually made out of recycled mechanical pencils. But yeah, as it gets smaller, as the food gets smaller, it would be able to travel up these comparatively smaller tubes until they reach the small intestine, in which case it would move through the small intestine and all that jazz. So this is, in conclusion, I think this was one of the hardest projects that Foundations of Technology did, and I'm actually rather proud of how it turned out, regardless of its very homemade appearance. But yeah, I thought the idea was really cool. Thanks.